Welcome to a virtual tour of Landonline's web-based survey application. This video demonstrates key features available for preparing a digital schedule or memorandum in Landonline. The left side of the screen contains the survey workflow control bar. Before we can access the full functionality of the automated schedule memorandum, you need to ensure the relevant existing parcels and estate records for the land under survey are captured in the existing parcels panel. You will see the schedule memorandum wording when you hover over the icon in the panel. Now we can open the automated schedule memorandum panel and create a table. All the standard tables are available, and in this case we will select a schedule of existing easements. Select the Add Creating Document button, which opens a list of the instruments associated with the captured titles, from which we can select the relevant document number to be added to the schedule. Select the parcel being assigned to the right, either from the list or directly from the map. The burdened land is often automatically populated. A drop-down list gives the most common purposes which are recognised by the 2018 Land Transfer Regulations. You can select a single right, multiple, or other, for rights that will need legal specification. Another common table would be a memorandum of easements in gross. We create a new table and add a parcel. We can select from the list of captured parcels, or we can add an empty row, giving us the ability to select from the map or the list. The burdened land is again populated, and we can complete the grantee. Tick to save. This time we will select Other and add a purpose. On the right-hand side are 3 dots with additional abilities, including the ability to move rows and add a height limit. Also, the tables can be organised, either up or down, a spot on the page, or all the way to the top or bottom. Thanks for watching.